that what you want? Does Sissy like some pop? What do you think?
Pop.
Sissy no pop? I think she really likes it though. She wants Logan's. She doesn't want it anymore. Oh, look at. What a good brother. Does she like it? Oh, she licked it, yeah. Should Mommy share some of hers? Yeah, Sissy, look.
That's a mommy's.
These are my Mommy's. Is it yummy?
That's a mommy's. That's a mommy's.
You have to eat yours.
You want me to run the Panera and get a little picnic out back?
That sounds great.
What do you want?
Share some with Sissy.
What do you want?
No scare.
I'm not sure. I'll figure it out in a minute. Is it yummy? You're such a good girl.